Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dera, and today I'll be telling you about landing page, what a landing page is, and the elements your landing page must have for you to be able to convert your page visitors to leads. Okay guys, let's start. I'll start by telling you what a landing page is. A landing page is a standalone website that you can use to urge your target audience to take action. Okay, and that action can be to download your guide, get a discount code, or subscribe to your email list. And you can use a landing page to collect your web visitors information for valuable resources. So before you ask for their information, make sure you have something of value you want to offer them, which you can call your lead magnet. Okay, so and you can also use a landing page to do what? Convert your visitors to leads. Unlike a normal website, your web visitors can just visit, explore and all of that and go. But the main objective of you having a landing page is to convert those visitors to become your leads that will do what? Patronize you later. And you can use, and when building your landing page, just have it in mind that landing page is for conversion and not for exploration. Don't come and start adding navigation menu, adding many things there. You just know that you are building this page to convert your web visitors to leads and not for them to come and explore your website. And if you want your landing page to convert, there are 5 elements you must add. Even if you omit other things, make sure that you have these 5 elements. Number 1 is attention grabbing headline. Make sure you use headline that is able to do what? That is able to grab your target audience attention, because if you use a boring headline, they will not even bother reading through your copy to know what you have for them. So make sure you use a headline that will grab their attention and make them take the action you want, and a headline that will also make them read through and take the action. Okay, then second is a clear subheading. When you write your headline, you can use your subheading to back it up. Make sure that when they read your subheading, that is very clear, and they will understand this, and they will understand what they will get from your lead magnet. They will understand what you are offering them. So make sure you use a clear subheading. Don't use a subheading that will confuse them, that will make them not even understand what they are doing on your page. Okay, and the third one is compelling benefit. Make sure you list out the benefit they will get from your lead magnet. So tell them how your lead magnets will help them solve their problem, how it will help them save some money, how it will help them make more money. Just list the benefits. Make sure you don't omit that, because when they see the benefits, it will compel them to take action. Okay, then add urgency. Don't make them feel relaxed, like they can come back anytime and still make this offer. Tell them that it is for a limited time. You can use a countdown button. You can just add urgency. Okay, so they will know that this offer won't be here forever. That will make them take the action immediately. Then add a strong call to action. Make sure you add one call to action. Don't add multiple call to action. Don't come and add your social media links on your landing page, telling them to check out your social media pages when your main objective is for them to get your lead magnet and give you their contact details. So make sure you use one call to action, and use a call to action that is very clear, so they will read through. After reading, they will know the next action to take. Okay, so guys, that's it for landing page and the 5 must-have elements that will help your landing page to convert. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, because I'll be dropping a video on how you can build a simple landing page using your smartphone. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye.